Hey everybody, I'm back. So how'd you like that new intro? Pretty cool, huh? Now I just need to find some new intro music, so let me know if you have any suggestions that are royalty free. Anyway, I just wanted to make a quick video to say thank you to everyone for watching my videos and subscribing to my channel. A lot of stuff has happened to me and my family over the past several months, so I wanted to give you an update on me, my channel, and what's coming in the future. I know I haven't uploaded any new videos in a while, but I'll explain that in just a few minutes. So I guess I'll give you the bad news first. A little while back, my house had flooded, and my son and I had lost pretty much everything we had. A water pipe in the bathroom had busted, so water was shooting out of the wall full blast for hours and hours, flooding the entire house. It was completely insane. After months and months of work, dealing with handymen, contractors, electricians, carpenters, and well, you get the idea, we finally got the house pretty much fixed. But the nightmare of dealing with the insurance company, trying to get the rest of the money they owed us, was just beginning. We tried dealing with the insurance company for what seemed like an eternity. Finally, we were told that the only way we were going to ever get our money from the insurance company was to sue them in court. I was like, what? After all the hoops we've had to jump through, and now this? And they were like, yep. So our attorney said it'd probably cost between $20,000 and $40,000 by the time it was all said and done, and if we won our case, then the insurance company would be on the hook for our attorney's fees as well. But that's a big if. Well, since we had pretty much lost everything and sank a lot of money into the house that the insurance company assured us that they would reimburse us for, we just didn't have the extra $20,000 to $40,000 to pay an attorney to sue them in court. So we ended up losing over $90,000 that the insurance company still owes us. Oh, and did I mention that we were told that this court thing could take up to 2 years before it was all done? Needless to say, never trust anything the insurance company tells you. Always get everything in writing and always record every conversation you have with them, especially conversations with the adjuster. Never take his word for anything. All he's trying to do is get a bonus or promotion or whatever by screwing you over. Our adjuster would tell us all these things they were going to do, then later on deny he ever said that. It was just sad. So anyway, enough about that crap. Now let's get on to the good news. But before I start, I'd just like to say thank you to the people who have helped us try and replace some of the property we lost so I can try to get back to work. We definitely appreciate your help. Also, I've had a few people ask if they could make a donation, so I've set up a page for donations. Please don't feel obligated, but if you'd like to help, the link is in the description below. Now on to the good news and the future of my channel. Number 1, as you've probably noticed if you visited my YouTube channel or my Facebook page or any of my other social media, I've changed the channel art and created a new logo. I'm also in the process of writing and producing a ton of new videos, so stay tuned for those coming very soon. Number 2, as far as video content, I'm going to keep doing videos like I've been doing for CorelDRAW and Adobe, but I'm also going to start doing videos for other software applications as well. Some of them will be desktop apps and some will be iOS apps that can be used for professional design work as well as crafting. With that being said, I will be doing more videos geared toward beginners and crafters, including how-to type videos showing you how to make your projects after you've designed it. I'll show you how to make things like signs, banners, t-shirts, decals, and a whole lot of other stuff. So if you have any suggestions for videos you'd like to see, please leave a comment below or send me an email. Number 3, I'm also in the process of creating an online store for this channel where you'll be able to purchase things like shirts, decals, pins, and stuff like that to help support my channel. I'm trying to make this my full-time job, so I appreciate all of y'all's support. Number 4, I've started a new clothing company that will feature apparel using original designs that we've created. I can't really give away too much information on that right now, but we'll be doing a Kickstarter campaign to get the first collection kicked off. Get it? Kickstarter? Kicked off? I know, my son tells me all the time I'm not funny. So anyway, if you're interested in checking out the Kickstarter campaign, please let me know and I'll add you to the list to be notified when it goes live. And lastly, number 5, as if all that wasn't enough, I've also started a new vlogging channel that'll feature random stuff about me, my keto journey, health, fitness, behind the scenes kind of stuff, and more. I'm hoping that by doing this, it'll help me be more comfortable talking to the microphone, talking to the computer, talking to the camera, and stuff like that. So if you're interested in following my normal, boring life, just let me know. I should have some videos coming in the near future. Now I know what you're all thinking. Dang, isn't he done yet? Well, if you stuck with me this long, thank you for listening to me ramble. No, but seriously though, if you stuck it out this far, leave me a comment below saying what the colors are in my new logo, and I'll be giving away a free t-shirt featuring our brand new logo to one lucky winner in the next few weeks, and maybe throw in a decal or two as well. Again, I appreciate every one of you who supported my channel, and I look forward to making tons more videos for y'all. So I guess I'm going to get out of here for now. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. If you like this video and would like to see more, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Also, make sure you click the little bell icon to be notified when new videos are available. And if you want to follow me on my social media, all the links are in the video description below. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you later.